on this episode of Doorbell News. If it can happen, it will. And people will walk right in your home if you forget to lock your doors. This is why you can't leave your doors unlocked, part 14.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Phoenix, Arizona.
What do you want?
I don't really know where my house. I know where my house is, and I have an address, but I'm kind of lost, and I have a rash on me, so I can't walk far.
You need to leave the property.
Okay.
Cincinnati, Ohio. Looks like somebody left their door unlocked. Las Vegas, Nevada. This is definitely why you need a cam masker. Astoria, New York. Looks like she's trying to jimmy her way into this apartment building. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Someone else got a jimmy and they're trying to get inside someone's home. Yeah, better make sure those doors are locked. Las Vegas, Nevada. So this guy slid in through the doggy door. Showed you a video the other day of somebody sliding in through the doggy door. You better not forget to lock that doggy door either. Syracuse, New York. Check her out. Las Vegas, Nevada. This homeowner shared this footage of a guy she met at her job. He ended up tracking her down and then he showed up at her house and starts ringing her doorbell. Phoenix, Arizona. This woman walks right in someone's house. Better not forget to lock that door. Oakland, California. It's like an officer's checking someone's door. You on the wrong floor, lady. West Palm Beach, Florida. You better not forget to lock those car doors either. Phoenix, Arizona. Check her out. She sees a big box and she goes for it. Yeah, better bring that baby crib inside and lock that door. Meanwhile, in Las Vegas, this guy's back. He's trying to cover the camera this time. Better make sure that parcel bin is locked too.
Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of there.
Nashville, Tennessee. Check him out. The homeowner thinks that boot on his leg is not real. Nashville, Tennessee. Check him out. Meanwhile, in Las Vegas, he's back for a third time. Yeah, better make sure that door's locked. Bronx, New York. Check her out. Looks like we got another doorknob wiggler here. She's going door to door.
Good morning. I'm well. You too.
Nashville, Tennessee. Check this guy out.
Hey, Doc. Yeah?
Get lost!
Go on, Doc.
Meanwhile, in Vegas. Yeah, LVPD is checking into some of those break-ins. North Las Vegas. Yeah, we got another one. And they're out. Las Vegas, Nevada. Looks like we got another doorknob wiggler here. There's nothing here for you, buddy. Get lost! Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Yeah. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow.
Move right now. Move. I call the police now. Move.
Yeah. Get lost!
Move in my house. Move right now. Ya 2 veces ahí tocando. Move!
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.